All right. So, what do we got here?
Okay, we have a 1950 AR John Deere that was purchased in 1959 by my parents on a farm in Stanley Township in Ontario, Canada, to work on the farm. And it was purchased for $950, and it served well. We never had any trouble with it. And then when my parents were finished with it, it sat out in the field, dilapidated for a few years, till my mother said to get rid of it. So I brought it back to my place in Goderich, Ontario, and refurbished it. We put all new tires on it. We put new grill on for the radiator, redid the radiator. I eventually had the engine refinished, tore apart by Ed Breen in Goderich. He's a master mechanic. He took it all apart, put new cylinder seals in it and everything. We remodified the gas line here a little bit, but other than that, it's basically all original. And we had the brakes redone on it.
New stickers.
New stickers, bought from the John Deere dealer. You can buy all the used parts from the John Deere dealer, and they worked with us really. It really went well to get all these funny parts for it that we needed, and we had it completed, and now it resides here at my son's farm. He's got 20 acres in the bush and the lake, Kieran here, and it's still in service. So that's
Use it every week.
Of an AR John Deere.
New key system. All the water temperature gauges work. The current meter works. There's the clutch on this side. This is engagement for the flywheel. So it's got the old. What is this, a flywheel?
Yeah.
So
no,
this is
a drive pulley.
Drive pulley. So that's like if they would run a belt over top of this,
yeah,
to run certain like mills or whatever.
Yeah, ran hammer mills to grind oats and grains, and to run thrash machines. We used it on the farm originally for all that kind of work.
And it's got the points system with the distributor.
Yeah,
Points and faster. And is this 12-volt system?
This is a 12-volt system. Yeah. So it's been refurbished and
all painted and everything.
Well.
Yep. You want to start it up?
Yeah, we could start it up.
And there's the original wagon too, isn't it? Is it a John Deere wagon? So I'm using this to haul wood out of the piles from the clearing of the property.
We'll give it a go here and see if she starts.
You want to take her out to the road? Nice.
Okay, we'll see if the AR will start.
What do you think, Mom? You gonna drive it next?
No.
No?
He loves that thing.
Yeah, it's pretty nice to see him driving it.
nearly 70 years old.
And it's a twin gas, right?
Yeah, twin cylinder gas.
Around 40 horse.
Yeah. That's right, it's the same age as me.
Works just as hard.
Yep.